Brice Alexander. It's my 883 Sporty, Iron Sporty 2016 with a Voyager training wheel kit. And yeah, that was me. May 17th, 1999, I flipped a truck 9 times, broke my back in 3 places. Got a hairline fracture in my hip, and right after my surgery, I ended up with a staph infection that about finished me off. It really turned my life upside down, I guess is the best way, the easiest way to put it. A lot of depression, anxiety, what am I gonna do now, you know, big change. I've always been a bit of an adrenaline junkie, so I like to push boundaries, and my friends and my family have been really supportive of that as well. My buddy Hillbilly's sitting over there on the curb, bought this bike. Well, he traded a car for this bike. It had 3,100 miles on it, and went to Florida and found the Voyager kit for it, and brought it home, and I helped him get it put together. And then he started pushing me that I needed to buy it from him, so he had somebody to ride with. Cut me a really good deal, it's hard to say no. And now it's got a little over 23,000 miles on it. That's how I shift. This is the controller I use. I clamped this on my brake pedal on my truck, and I was trying to figure out how I was gonna run a shifter setup on this when I first got it. And got to thinking, why can't I use this if it'll clamp onto the shifter, which it did. It works out great. Made the rack out of some scrap metal and stuff I had, and that's it's a prototype. I haven't built the permanent one yet. Strap the feet down. If I don't strap my legs together, the wind will grab my knees. You get past 85 miles an hour, I don't care how good the straps are down here, it's gonna pull your foot right out of the boot. Yeah, there's the setup. And then when I want to shift, squeeze the clutch in, down. Get rid of the negative people in your life that's giving you that idea that you can't do it. You got to stop listening to people like that, and the world's full of them. Find good people that support you and want to see you chase your dreams and have a better quality of life. This bike is, you know, it could be 3 o'clock in the morning, I can't sleep, my mind's racing. Get on the bike, disappear up into the back roads, and I can change my whole being. If you got questions, you can find me on Facebook, Brice Sander, and I'm more than happy to answer questions for people. If I can help somebody else get in the wind, I'm down with that. Don't let people tell you no. Just don't listen to them. Do your thing. I do take enjoyment in proving people wrong when they tell me I can't do something, so